Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you're wondering how to use the whisper method or the whisper technique, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to show you how to use this amazing technique and how it can help you manifest things very quickly in your life. Now, the only thing I'm asking for you to do is to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and keep watching the videos. If you want to join like-minded people, I'm here every Sunday morning with people from all around the world. So right now, we're discussing the whisper method, the whisper manifesting method, and we're going to do it right now. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about this method and why it works so quickly? This method involves you whispering in the ear of someone in your mind of whatever it is that you want them to do. Now, this is powerful when you're using it for a specific person, when you're using it for a job, or maybe something you want in your life, like you want someone to hurry up and give you some information. Maybe you're waiting to get the information about receiving a loan to buy your house or your car. Maybe you're looking for a promotion at your job. Maybe you're looking for that specific person. You can use this in so many ways. And again, it is very simple and it only takes about a minute. Now, there's some things that I want to make sure you guys understand before you try to do this technique. The first thing is you really need to know what it is that you want. You know, so many people are running around saying they want this and that and this and that. And the next day they want this and that and this and that. It basically confuses the universe. So I always tell people to know exactly what it is you want first. The next thing is I need you to come up with some kind of saying that is going to help you get what you want. So like, let's just say you're looking for that promotion. So your words may be, Yvette is excellent, give her the job, okay? Or if someone owes you some type of money, you can say something like, you know you owe her the money, give it to her. Okay? It is just that simple. I need you to know whatever it is that you want exactly, and I need you to put it into some type of saying. The next thing I need you to do is to visualize the person that you want to give this message to. If someone owes you money, you already know who that person is. If it's a promotion at your job, it is the boss at your job that you're giving this message to. If it's a specific person that you're in love with, it will be that person, okay? And again, follow me because I'm going to give you some extra tips. Now, you need to come up with some type of picture of that person. Now, listen, if you do not know who the person is, it can actually be the universe, the stars, the moon, whatever it is. But I need you to come up with who you're going to be speaking to ahead of time. The next thing I need you to do is come up with a place where you're quiet, you will not be bothered, where you can be relaxed. I need you to either play some soft music. You can even light a candle, you guys. And you guys know I'm always talking about candles, okay? Why? It's because they put you in kind of a meditative state, okay? And they send out, based on the color, the vibration of whatever it is that you desire. So these are little tips that I'm giving you. When it comes down to music, play whatever music makes you comfortable. We don't want to hear hard rock or hard rap. We want something to keep you nice and calm. Most likely instrumental. But if you have some music that you really love, go right ahead and play it, but keep it down low. Now, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to sit down or lie down and you're going to imagine yourself. Imagine yourself the way you want to be. If it's a promotion, imagine yourself being successful. If it is love, imagine yourself being in love. Whatever. How would you look if this was so? The next thing I want you to do is to imagine that person you came up with, whether it's a person or the universe. And I want you to whisper those words we spoke of in that person's ear or out to the universe. You're going to whisper it like, Yvette is great for the job. Give it to her. Okay? Yvette is the person that you owe the money to. Pay her back her money. And you're going to whisper this in the person's ear. Okay? And then you're going to step back. Now, how many times are you going to whisper this in that person's ear? 3 times. When you're imagining this, I need you to imagine yourself, basically, if you can, as a ghost, as a spirit, going to that person wherever they are. If it's at your job and you're looking for a promotion, imagine that person being at the job, and imagine you coming in as a ghost where no one sees you and whispering, Yvette is perfect for this job. You know she's perfect for this job. Give it to her. Call her. Okay? It is just that simple. If someone owes you money, imagine them at their house or in their car and you're in the back seat or something and you whisper in their ear as a ghost and you say something like, you know you owe Yvette the money. Call her up and give her her money. Give her her money. Give her her money. Give her her money. You say it 3 times and then you step off. You walk away knowing that this is already done, having faith in the universe that this is already done. Now, if you're not speaking to an actual person and you're speaking out to the universe, you will just look up to the universe in the image of whatever it is you want to be. And you say, universe, Yvette is perfect for this job. Give her this job. I thank you for giving her this job. Give her this job. Yvette is perfect for this job. Give her this job. Thank you, universe, for giving her this job. And you're stepping back and you bring yourself back in alignment with where you are at this moment and you let it go. This is very powerful because you are implanting in your subconscious mind, which sends the message out to the universe that this is what you want. When you do this in a specific person's ear, whether it's your boss, a love, whoever it is, you are basically putting this out there, the energy, the vibration, and it's going to that person stating whatever it is that you want it to state. The main thing is belief. Do not go looking over your shoulder every minute saying, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? That is not going to work, and that's going to keep you away from whatever it is you're trying to do. I need you to speak it 3 times and walk away. Now, what are you going to do during the day? I need you to always take action in the direction of whatever it is you're trying to do, whether it's putting in a resume or moving on with your life. Surround yourself with happy people and move on. The reason I'm saying this is because worry and regret will actually move you further away from manifestation. I don't care if you're doing the whisper method, scripting, affirmations, whatever you're doing, it is going to move you away. I just need you to do the whisper method, step back, know that it's already done, and take action in that direction. If it's someone that's owing you money, let it go. Let go of the worry and thank the universe, thank God for already giving you back your money. If it is a promotion, take action by going into work, doing the job that you know you do best, and keep moving forward. If you are intuitively told to speak to the boss, let the boss know that you're interested in that job, you go right ahead and you do it. It is all part of the universe working with you to get you to wherever it is. You already implanted in that person's head that this is a position that you want, but you can also reinforce it by going to that person. Now, some of you might ask, how many times do we do this? I would say do this once a day or twice a day before going to sleep and upon waking up. You can do it for as long as you want, at least 7 days. But again, the main thing is just to let everything go. Now listen, I just told you how to do the whisper method, and this actually works, and it works very quickly. It's something that you can do at any time and basically see results. So again, I want you to write comments in the description if you use this technique and it has worked for you. Another thing, if you want to follow me, please look in the description. Keep watching my videos. And if you want to join me, I am live again every Sunday morning, giving you inspiration, motivation to get out there and to create the life you always wanted. And namaste.